Hi everyone, my name is Vicky, and we are at the most secret factory of Chernobyl, Jupiter. Let's go look for a fallen helicopter like in the game Stalker.
Hello, dear friends. Now you can see abandoned plant Jupiter in Pripyat, and you can see how look today cabinets and offices. It was very secret plant before accident. And Muha it's very good dog from checkpoint of Pripyat. And after accident in this place work liquidators, and main liquidator it was Yuri Samolenko. Jupiter is very big. And now we will see one floor where too many interesting things. Level of radiation in this place is normal. And I think you remember Jupiter plant from game Stalker. And you can see how it looks. It's little creepy. It was maybe placed for money. Today Jupiter plant is abandoned. It's some rules. And I want to see how look inside this elevator, but unfortunately it doesn't work. Wow, friends, you can see it. It's one reserve room in Jupiter plant. Magic, absolutely magic. It's bottle from Soviet Union maybe, and many things. It's place to preserve. If you hear about this plant, take your like and subscribe to my channel, because I'm very often in Pripyat and I like discover this place. You can see it was apparat for documents. And this and beautiful autumn. And now we need to run because now we here are illegally. It's Stalker stuff.
Hello.
And now we go into another place. My light. Come on. Wow, another preserve room. Cool. And Soviet TV. Funny, it's from Soviet cartoon. It's about fire rules. What you need to do in fire. What the S? It's for connection. It was connection rule.
The Jupiter plant is located on the outskirts of the ghost town of Pripyat. Before the Chernobyl accident, Jupiter was top secret and produced parts for military equipment and spacecraft. Officially, the factory in Pripyat made parts for tape recorders and radios, but the territory was fenced off with a very high fence. About 1,000 Pripyat residents worked here. After the Chernobyl accident, the plant was closed for a year. The territory was deactivated and almost all the equipment was taken away. After the liquidators decided to make workplaces here for robotics engineers and Spetsatom laboratories. Today, the territory of the former plant is abandoned. Every year, more and more metal is lost from Jupiter. The workshops have suffered greatly at the hands of looters. This is the actual Jupiter factory, where the helicopter can be found in the Stalker game. Surprisingly, the roof in the real factory collapsed already after the game was released. Subscribe to my channel and please put a like. There's a lot of Chernobyl stories waiting for you.
Кому-нибудь